in this firebox we have a somewhat unique sort of device, and that is actually in this case called an appliance, believe it or not, kind of like your kitchen appliances. But this particular appliance is going to be releasing flame and also heat. This one is called the EcoSmart fireplace, and this is the XL 1200. What that is this guy right here. So here, like that. This is where you put your kind of biofuel. It's something kind of propane-esque. Just ends up dropping in right here. And then this is set up to be black on the back, so we're going to paint this. This is a cementitious hardy board. We mocked up our brick layout. We're actually not planning on putting bricks in the back. We mocked up the layout just so we can see the whole wall all the way across. And then we're just looking at a bunch of hardy board right now. But the hardy board is sandwiched like this between two layers of the cementitious, or the 2x4 rather, between two layers of the cementitious hardy. And that is the prescribed method from EcoSmart Fireplaces. There's a guy named Tim Gilbride there who is super helpful if anybody else is ever interested in something like this. And one of the really cool benefits of this type of fireplace, because it is theoretically clean burning, is that you actually need no exit or no vent or no flue or anything to that effect. So that makes it a little bit better from a air tightness perspective. You don't have to worry about like the background damper or anything like that of what normally would be your flue or your chimney. In regards to the hearth of this fireplace, what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 inches of a basically cement top. I'm pretty excited to see how all this works out. Keep following us on this one and we'll keep you posted with the finish out. Adios, amigos.